Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel and our daily evening meditation. Thank you so much for joining me again tonight. And if you watched yesterday's meditation, you know I wasn't feeling very well. I was really exhausted. And so last night I did go to bed early, and my husband thankfully kept the kids really quiet in the morning so that I could sleep in. I had a good breakfast, I had a hot shower, and I felt so much better. So this is a public service announcement to make sure that you are taking care of yourself. We're living under extreme circumstances right now, and it's easy to let our own health and wellness slip away as we're just trying to keep things together. And especially if you're quarantining with children, it's extra important that you rotate schedules with the other adults in the household to make sure that you're getting time to do those things that make you feel better. Sleep, exercise, meditation, reading, quiet time if you need it. So just make sure you're taking care of yourself. And if you're sitting here right now watching this meditation, then you are doing a little bit to take care of yourself. And so all you need for this meditation is a comfortable seat, whether it's in a chair, sitting on your bed, sitting on a cushion on the floor, or if you take it out into your backyard and sit on the ground. And then also a space with as few distractions as possible. And that might be difficult, but try. Like I said, maybe going out to the backyard might not be so bad if that's the only place you can find some alone space. So yeah, tonight we're going to have another 10-minute meditation, and hopefully this will help you relax and wind down at the end of your day. So let me set my timer for 10 minutes. And then settle into your comfortable seat and just close your eyes and start to breathe or focus on your breathing. Making sure that you're not slouching, that your back is somewhat straight so that your lungs can be open. So it's easier to breathe. And bring your attention and your awareness just to the act of breathing and how that feels for you right now. When we bring our attention to our breath, we are allowing ourselves to disconnect from those distractions of our outer world and just bringing ourselves inside. And then take a really close look at how you feel right now in body, in emotions, in your mind, without trying to fix anything or judge anything. You just want to know, how are you feeling right now? How's your body feeling? How is your mood? How are the thoughts in your mind? And again, not judging. We're just looking at your experience. Any way that you are right now is just fine for this meditation. And then based on what you've seen, what you notice, what is one thing that you can do tonight or tomorrow to help yourself feel better? What can you do in your current living situation so that you can feel better? And notice if there's any tension or discomfort. If you do feel achy or uncomfortable in the meditation, you can shift around. It's okay. But if you're holding any tension, then on your next exhale, try to breathe that out. And release. 2 more times. How's the state of your mind right now? Are your thoughts racing or is your mind calm? It's okay if you have thoughts, if they're there. Just don't run away with them. Just try to keep present with your breath and your body. On your next exhale, if you have any thoughts that you want to attach, just release them out. And release. And twice more. Taking a look at your emotions. And how are you feeling right now? Remember to give yourself some love and compassion for whatever is going on for you right now. You are doing the best that you can, given the current situation. Remember to be gentle with yourself. As you breathe and as you exhale, just imagine any physical or mental or emotional tension just melting away from you. As you breathe in and release. Release. And keep doing that for another minute or so. Find yourself thinking about something, just come back to your breathing. It's impossible to shut out all thought, so don't beat yourself up for that. Just let it go. Let your mind rest. Now we're just going to take another minute of breathing, just to wrap up the meditation. Just breathe. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. And I hope you feel better, and I hope you feel a little bit more relaxed and at ease at the end of your day. And I hope that you can sleep well tonight. Sleep is so important. And if you have any questions about meditation, then put those in the comments below, and I can start addressing some of your meditation questions in the intros of the coming videos. And I know I did get one comment right before I started this meditation, a question, and I'll answer that tomorrow. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for joining me again tonight. And have a wonderful day tomorrow, and I'll see you again tomorrow night. Thank you.